Subaru is making waves in the EV market with a bold move. The 2025 Solterra now starts at just $39,915, a jaw-dropping $6,500 less than last year. But don't mistake this for a watered-down version. This all-electric SUV keeps its premium feel, packing in innovative tech, rugged utility, and a refreshed design that makes a statement without draining your wallet. Unlike many rivals that charge extra for capability, Subaru delivers standard all-wheel drive on every Solterra trim. Yes, even the entry-level model is built for adventure, ready to handle highways and off-road paths alike. Toyota's BZ4X skips this feature in its base version, but Subaru isn't playing that game. Even the top-tier Touring trim sees a $7,000 price cut, showing Subaru's serious commitment to delivering more for less. The all-new Onyx Edition adds a fresh layer of personality. Priced from $46,915, it features blacked-out styling, aggressive 20-inch wheels, and a distinctive two-tone paint job. Inside, sport-inspired accents complete the look, making it perfect for drivers who want performance with attitude. The Onyx isn't just another trim, it's a visual upgrade that speaks to bold individuality. On a single charge, the base Solterra offers up to 227 miles of range, while Onyx and higher trims reach 222 miles. That's more than enough for your daily commute or weekend getaways. Compared to rivals like the Ford Mustang Mach-E or Volkswagen ID.4, Subaru's numbers hold strong, delivering range without compromise, and all with the reassurance of AWD beneath you. With over 10,000 Solterras already sold this year, it's clear that Subaru's formula is working. Buyers are responding to the value-packed offer, a capable, stylish EV that undercuts the competition on price while matching it in features. This isn't just a new electric car, it's a sign that electric adventure is more accessible than ever. Forget the idea that EVs are boring or overpriced. The 2025 Solterra is built for the real world, combining functional design, driver-focused features, and smart pricing. Whether you're eco-conscious, thrill-seeking, or just budget-savvy, Subaru's latest proves that the right EV has finally arrived.